everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to activate Destiny credit card online. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to activate your Destiny credit card, the first thing to do is to open up a web browser. Into the URL box at the top, type in destiny.myfinanceservice.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now, log into the secure server by entering your details on the right hand side. If you've not registered for your account, you can click on register your account link at the bottom and follow the on-screen prompts. Once you have your username and your password, type it in the text boxes. Once you enter all of your information, you can click the login button to log into your account. And once you are logged in, enter your card number, enter your expiry date of the card, and also enter the security code or the CVV at the back of your card, and finally click on activate button. By doing that, you'll be able to activate your card right away. That is how you can easily activate your Destiny credit card online. Now you can easily get access to your account 24/7, pay free online bills, get paperless statements, and so much more. That is how you can easily activate Destiny credit card. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.